Hi there, this is Aude. In today's video, you're going to learn how to give your opinion in everyday life conversation. You'll even be able to tell people why you like something or not. Ready to step up your French? Let's get started. Watching this video is not enough to be a comfortable French speaker. What you need is practice. So each time you see this, that's your turn to speak. And guys, don't forget to subscribe if you don't want to miss new videos. Being able to ask someone if he or she likes something is great to start a conversation. Est-ce que tu aimes le tennis? Aimes-tu le tennis? Tu aimes le tennis? Those three questions mean, do you like tennis? But we're just going to keep the last one because it's an informal question. Tu aimes le tennis? Oui, j'aime le tennis. Oui, j'adore le tennis. Obviously, those two answers are very positive. Yes, I like tennis, and yes, I love tennis. Tu aimes le tennis? Tu aimes le foot? Your turn to ask the question. Oui, j'aime le tennis. Now you want to say that you don't like something. Tu aimes la musique? Non, je n'aime pas la musique. Non, je déteste la musique. Obviously, those two are negative answers. No, I don't like music, and no, I hate music. Tu aimes la musique? Tu aimes la radio? Your turn. Non, je n'aime pas la musique. There's another verb you could use to give your opinion. Tu aimes les carottes? Non, je préfère les tomates. I'm sure you guessed was je préfère. I prefer. Do you like carrots? No, I prefer tomatoes. Tu aimes les carottes? Tu aimes les spaghettis? It's your turn. Non, je préfère les tomates. Now, let's have a look at some more complex sentences where we are going to use connectives. Tu aimes le cinéma? J'aime le cinéma, mais je n'aime pas le shopping. In this sentence, I'm using mais, which means but, to say that I like something, but I don't like something else. Tu aimes le cinéma? Oui, j'aime le cinéma et j'aime aussi le shopping. Here you're saying that you like two different things. I like these and I also like that. Et means and, also is aussi. Be careful guys, because aussi in French is going to be after the verb. In French you're going to say I like also. Tu aimes le cinéma? Tu aimes le cinéma? Your turn. J'aime le cinéma, mais je n'aime pas le shopping. Great guys, you know how to give your opinion. Now let's see how to tell people why you like something or not. Tu aimes le volley? Pourquoi? Oui, j'aime le volley parce que c'est amusant. Here you're using parce que c'est, because it is, and then an adjective to describe the activity. Of course, amusant means fun or funny. You wouldn't translate it as amusing. Tu aimes le volley? Pourquoi? It's your turn. Oui, j'aime le volley parce que c'est amusant. Tu aimes les films? Oui, j'adore les films parce que c'est intéressant. I'm sure you get that one. I love movies because it's interesting. Tu aimes les films? Your turn. Oui, j'adore les films parce que c'est intéressant. Tu aimes le café? Oui, j'aime le café parce que c'est délicieux. This one is very easy to understand again. Parce que c'est délicieux. Because it's delicious. Tu aimes le café? Your turn. Oui, j'aime le café parce que c'est délicieux. The last example is going to be a negative opinion. Tu aimes le foot? Non, je n'aime pas le foot parce que c'est nul. Nul means rubbish. Tu aimes le foot? Your turn. Non, je n'aime pas le foot parce que c'est nul. Okay guys, now we're going to have a little writing practice. I'm going to ask you a question and you're going to write your answers below. Tu aimes le badminton? So you could say, yes, I like badminton. Yes, I love it. Or maybe you don't like it, you hate it. Please have a go. Well done. Now I'm sure that you can tell people what you like and dislike in a real-life conversation. So what's your next step? Please have a look at that playlist where you can learn and practice on some more topics like sports, music or television. À bientôt!